Hey friends, I see my short videos are pretty well received, so I appreciate that. I want to talk to you guys about some things here. First of all, when I bought this home like 14 years ago and did a major renovation, that's not relative to this video. It already had a pond, which I never would have thought of putting on. The birds love it. So if you have room in your yard, plump in a pond and a few floaters and a fountain. It's great entertainment for the birds. But I want to talk to you today about grass. Google yourself. All my videos, I always give people homework. Grass is like the #1 weed we propagate in our culture, and it soaks up water. This isn't grass, by the way, that's white clover. I'm getting to that. And grass, I've Googled different figures on the billions of dollars spent on chemical fertilizers that ends up in our water table and the water it takes. And in our city, believe it or not, we pay $9 per cubic meter for water, and we're in a water country. We have 1/3 the world's supply here in Canada. It's ridiculous. Anyways, this white clover patch is natural to our backyard. At any given time, there's half a dozen bees out here, and this is only 2 square meters. I did not plant this. So I went on Amazon, I looked and saw Scott's sells a white clover. It's like $27 a bag or something. It's a small bag, and so the nice thing about clover is the leaves protect its root. It has an extensive root system. It produces flowers, these clovers, like I said, bees. And everybody cries the bees are going, and they are, but nobody does anything about it. So you don't have to water clover. You don't have to fertilize it. You can do for both. And you always have bees. So if everybody's going to cry about the bees, get rid of your grass that sucks up water and fertilizer. And I think the only place a nice grass lawn belongs is on a golf course, and I'm not even a golfer. But just some consideration. Go on Amazon and look up Scott's white clover. I recommend it. And think about a pond for our bird friends. They love it. Today's raspberry picking day. Thanks to the bees. Some good eating here, folks. Have a great day.